From the first interaction, the KZ Duet feels lightweight. The semi-in-ear ergonomic angle is immediately noticeable, offering a more relaxed fit compared to deep seal in-ear monitors. This design reduces ear fatigue during extended sessions, especially for gaming or long listening periods. The cable is flexible and reinforced, minimizing tangling and microphonic noise during movement. Sonically, the dual driver system delivers a layered presentation. The 10 mm driver handles sub-bass and mid-bass with authority, reaching low frequencies with convincing depth, while the 8 mm driver manages clarity and articulation in vocals and higher frequencies. The KZ Duet stands out by delivering a technically competent dual driver implementation in a highly accessible and practical form factor. It successfully bridges the gap between hi-fi listening and gaming performance without relying on software-heavy solutions. The combination of strong bass extension, clear mids, and precise imaging makes it suitable for both immersive entertainment and competitive gameplay. Its modular comfort approach, solid build quality, and zero-latency wired connection further reinforce its value proposition. For those seeking a reliable, great-sounding wired solution that performs equally well in gaming and music scenarios, the KZ Duet is a well-engineered and compelling choice.